Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Stoke-on-Trent and we're going to be transforming yet another garden. This time we're going to be using some sandstone, some sleepers, some real turf and a new fence to transform this tired space into something that this family can enjoy for years to come. The current garden is on clay ground, so we're going to need to install a soakaway into this property before we even start. The fence at the back of me will need to be replaced as it's seen better days. We're also going to be replacing the fence panels down the side and installing a new sandstone patio across the front of here to give the family somewhere to enjoy the summer days when they do return. Like all landscaping projects, the key is in the preparation of this project. So to get started with, what we're going to do is just simply scrape away all the vegetation that is currently on the ground. Whilst also doing this, what we are doing is setting the levels of the garden. The aim for us on setting the levels is to get all the water running away from the property. The last thing you want to do is have any water backing up against the brickwork, which could cause future problems, including damp inside the property. All of our waste today is going on a grab wagon. We paid £264 and it will take around 16 tonne of the soil and the slabs, but you can't mix the waste. So unfortunately the wood will have to go into a skip, which will be done at a later date once we have the driveway clear. So I'm just going to use my digger to load up the lads' wheelbarrows and they will take it all out for me. So now it's time to take away that old fence. I'll just let Leighton do a little bit first of all before I bring the digger along and actually just rip it apart. Now this fence is actually really rotten and it's been here since the house was built. And I think it was 2004, I might be wrong. But either way, it's completely ready to be replaced. The old fence just had a little bit of wood here, but what we've done is taken that out and now we'll install a corner post here to allow the two fences to connect properly. Once the corner is in, we run a string line and follow that with the rest of the new fence. So the majority of the preparation work then is done on the project and I am absolutely filthy. I'm just going to show you where we're up to before we go any further. One thing I will mention is we're going to need a lot of MOT stone in this area here. We're going to fill it up so the water runs away from the house when we install the sandstone patio. We've got the two beds now semi-prepped. There'll be a step in the middle as you can see. Let me show you where we're at. The fencing is, well, it's 80% done. The lads are just working on the last 20% now, which is the last one on the corner. The sleeper's up like I say, and now it's time for me to run the MOT stone in. And just like that, right on cue, Milton Garden Products arrive with our materials, which includes the MOT stone. We have got 5 tonne of MOT stone coming, plus 2 tonne what's going to come loose later, along with the rest of the fence panels and the other materials we're going to need. So once that's unloaded, it's time to start shoveling. I'll just do the shoveling because I'm the boss, and then Ryan and Leighton, they'll bury it in for us. Now we've got to build this up in 3 stages, guys, because it's so deep. So because of the depths of this MOT stone, what we're going to do is bring it up in 3 layers. The first layer is now in and it's just about to be compacted, and then we'll add a second layer and then the third layer and compacting in between each layers. Come on, my camera shot, mate. Cool, I'm making a YouTube video. Yeah. Why is one going about jumpers like you need a jumper or something? What? Why is one going on about jumpers like you need a jumper?
Because I need one.
You done it?
I'm lost out.
Oh.
You're like no weird for me.
Oh, you done it? You work with me. You work with me.
Yeah, I know, but... I know.
So that's our third level, levelled out. So now what we need to do is compact this again, and then we're going with laying some sandstone paving. We're going to start at the sleeper edge and work back. So any good patio is laid on a full contact bed of mortar. Okay, we use a 4-to-1 mix. We use limestone dust with cement to create our 4-to-1. And what we're doing here is just prepping the full bed. I like to use a bucket trowel. People often criticise me for that, but I've been doing this now for 10 years and I found the bucket trowel is the easiest way for me to do this to ensure I get nice and flat to make sure I've got full contact to that paver when laying. 5 tonne of loose tip soil is next to go into all the flower beds and the turf area. Once we have levelled it, the team have some treading in to do to ensure there's no pockets of air in the soil before the turf is laid.
And so there you have it, another project complete by the team, ready for this family to enjoy when the warm weather does return. Let me know what you think of the project, guys, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate your support. See you on the next one.